Good morning, 12th class. Today's our topic is depression in freezing point. This one is third colligative property. Now, first of all, what is freezing point? I think you know freezing. Simple. That one is when liquid is converted into solid. That one is known as freezing, or either you can say solidification, and a particular temperature at which freezing occur. That one is known as freezing point. Okay, for example, that water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. But now what happened? Actually, when you add some non-volatile solute in it, so generally their freezing point decreases. Okay, that one is known, generally their freezing point is decreases. Okay, for example, you know that NaCl is used as an anti-icing agent. Okay, how? Actually, when you add NaCl, okay, in that one is roadside areas where snowfall is there or snow is there. Okay, in that case, generally it decreases the freezing point and ice is converted into liquid. Okay, so that one is simple, freezing point, and how that there is a depression in freezing point. Simple, when you add non-volatile solute. Okay, now just see how to define it. The decrease in the freezing point of a solvent caused by the addition of a non-volatile solute to it is termed as depression in freezing point. Okay, so when you add some non-volatile solute in solvent, that okay, then generally freezing point decreases, so that one is known as a depression in freezing point, and that is represented by delta TF. Delta is for change. Okay, now what about the formula? That one is delta TF is equal to delta TF naught. Now just see here that delta TF is more as comparison to TF. Okay, this one minus TF, where delta TF naught, that is freezing point of that is temperature of pure solvent, and TF is, okay, that is the freezing point temperature of the solution, means after mixing what is the temperature. Okay, so this one is one formula. Now second is, that is delta TF is directly proportional to M. If you remember that this one is almost same, just like in case of elevation in boiling point, that formula instead of F there we use that one is TB. Okay, the delta TF is directly proportional to M. Now delta TF is equal to, when you remove this sign, the KF M is molality. Okay, now if you want to, you can expand this formula also. Same, if you remember that same, delta TF is equal to KF. Now molality, it's a number of moles of solute upon weight of solvent into 1000. So this one is formula KF into WB plus, sorry, into 1000 upon MB into WA. This one is for weight of solute, this one is for weight of solvent. Okay, now where this KF, that one is known as molar freezing point depression constant, or either you can say cryoscopic constant. This term is more important, cryoscopic constant. Okay, and unit of cryoscopic constant is kilo, this one is Kelvin kg per mole. Okay, both are constant for temperature. Okay, and either it is for ebullioscopic or either it is for cryoscopic. Okay, unit both the constant, unit is same. And how to define it? That KF is defined as the depression in freezing point for 1 molar solution. 1 molar solution means a solution containing 1 gram mole of solute dissolved in 1000 gram of solvent. Okay, that one is regarding to cryoscopic constant. Okay, now just see one graph. It's a graph between vapor pressure versus temperature. Now just see, in this case, that one is, okay, that AD, this one is for solvent. Okay, and this one is for solution. Mean, just see that temperature decreases. Okay, when, okay, now just see in this one, in case of solution, that vapor pressure is less comparatively as comparison to solvent. So the difference between these two, that one is known as delta F. Okay, now after that, on these bases, that we have numerical also. Now just see, okay, now numerical, it's almost same, just like we had done for ebullioscopic constant, or either for elevation in boiling point. Now check, 1 gram of a non-volatile electrolyte solute dissolved in 50 gram of benzene lowered the freezing point of benzene by 0.40 Kelvin. The freezing point depression constant of benzene is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole. It means Krascopic constant is given. Find the molar mass of the solute. It means you have to calculate MB. Okay, now for calculating this, formula is this one: delta TF is equal to KF into WB into 1000 upon MB into WA. Okay, formula you have to write because you will get marks for this. Now given delta TF, it's given, that one is, just see where it's a 0.40 Kelvin. Keep it in mind. Okay, whatever is given to you, either it is in degree Celsius or Kelvin, no need to convert because difference is always same. Okay, now WB, that one is equal to 1 gram, WA is equal to 50 gram, KF is also given. Now put all these value in this formula. MB goes up and delta TF goes down. Now put values: 5.12 into 1 into 1000 upon 0.40 into 50. Now just see, solve this and your answer is 256 gram per mole. Okay, thank you.